How to fix Instagram feeds glitch easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps. Go to apps again and then go to feeds. For stop it, go to storage, clear cache, and then go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again. And then if that also doesn't fix it, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on. Or you can just uninstall this application and install it again. And that's it for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.